Hey guys, are you looking for the best growth stocks to buy? In this video, I'm gonna show you my top 5 growth stocks which are great opportunities for you to buy and hold. So stay with me till the end, okay? Let's go! Number 5. In 5th place comes Dollar General, a retail company that sells most products under $5. One of the company's differentials is that 75% of the stores are located in small cities with population under 20,000. They don't want to compete directly with giants like Walmart and Costco, for example. In 1994, they had 2,000 stores and were growing quite aggressively. In 2018, they already had almost 16,000 stores, and today that number is over 17,000. Here we can see that their same-store sales have grown every year, absolutely fantastic. And look what happened to them because of the pandemic. Same-store sales rose mind-blowing 16.3% in 2020 from the previous year. Their stores are small, built to suit customers' need, are cheap for the company to rent, and this is why they are able to expand so much and so fast. They also have a quick purchase model. Customers come in, find very quickly what they need, and can leave the store. They went public in 2009 and are already a 10-bagger with the stock trading at $206. Number 4. In 4th place comes Etsy, an American e-commerce company that focuses on handmade items and craft supplies. These items fall under a wide range of categories, including jewelry, bags, clothing, homewares, furniture, and toys. They are really different from other competitors like Amazon because they sell items that are unique, connecting millions of buyers and sellers from nearly every country around the world. They sell in 7 major markets: United States, the UK, Canada, Germany, Australia, France, and India, and have a huge total addressable market of trillions of dollars that tends to keep growing because e-commerce is still a small fraction of total sales. Etsy's estimated market share is only 1% of the market, so there's definitely room to expand. Their sales went through the roof in 2020 because of the pandemic, with lots of people buying and selling all kinds of masks. Now that things are a little bit more under control and masks are not selling that much, the company was still able to grow. It looks like when people find out about Etsy, they just keep coming back to buy more. Their revenue grew 141% year over year in the first quarter of 2021, and adjusted EBITDA margin rose to 33%. They have a very light business model, which allows them to be already quite profitable, and with all that, the stock price did nothing but skyrocket since 2015. Number 3. In 3rd place comes Teladoc, ticker symbol TDOC, a multinational telemedicine and virtual healthcare company based in the US. They use telephone and video conferencing software as well as mobile apps to provide on-demand remote medical care. The company is a global leader with more than 40% of the Fortune 500 companies using their solutions. They offer primary care and telehealth, mental health services, chronic condition management, as well as expert medical service and integrated virtual care. In October 2020, they completed the merger with Livongo, a digital health startup that helps people manage chronic diseases such as diabetes. Teladoc's revenue has been growing a lot, a more than 70% CAGR in the last 5 years. Numbers of members continues to grow, as well as adjusted EBITDA and operating cash flow, which has become positive in 2019. They went public in 2015 and has since delivered solid returns to shareholders. Number 2. In 2nd place comes Tattooed Chef, ticker symbol TTCF. Tattooed Chef is a plant-based food company offering a broad portfolio of plant-based foods. The company is vertically integrated, which in my opinion is one of the best competitive advantages a company can have. They plant, grow, and manufacture, handling the product from the fields to the customer's hands. Or, as the company like to say, they handle things from farm to table. When you start looking for reviews, all you can see is good things being said about them. They focus on healthy and organic food, primarily in the frozen food sector. Despite being a small company with a market cap of $1.8 billion, the company is already a national brand, present in more than 4,000 stores, including Walmart, Sam's, Costco, and Target. They recently announced the acquisition of New Mexico Food Distributors and Karsten Tortilla Factory. This acquisition allows Tattooed Chef to diversify even more their product portfolio outside frozen foods and into ambient products, including quesadillas and burritos. It's a very high-growth company with the opportunity to grow both in the US and internationally. They are in a sector that has a huge total addressable market. They are a vertically integrated company. People seem to love their products, have a very strong balance sheet with lots in cash, and I can see this company with a market cap of $10 billion by 2026, which would make it a 4 to 5x stock. And number 1, in first place comes Tesla. Everyone knows that Tesla's stock has skyrocketed in the past few years, and people start looking for the next Tesla. But you know what? I think Tesla is the next Tesla. They have so much to grow, they're just getting started with electric cars. What about their autonomous vehicles? If they completely solve full self-driving and we see autonomous cars driving themselves, say in 3 to 4 years, just think about this. For how much do you think Tesla can sell a car that can drive its owner to wherever he wants and then for the rest of the day go to work as a robotaxi? A car like that can make, let's say, $30,000 a year just working as a robotaxi. It might be that at one point Elon Musk decides, you know what, we're not gonna sell our cars anymore. We're just gonna build our own fleet and take all the profits. How much a company like that would be worth? And I'm not even gonna talk about the energy part of the company. With their solar panels, Powerwall, solar roofs, that might turn out being a bigger business than the car business itself. And they've not even started with the Cybertruck, the Tesla Semi. It's just crazy. No one has a bigger growth potential than Tesla, in my opinion. So, what do you think about these 5 companies? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel for videos of some of the greatest companies to invest. See you next time.